Hello everybody. Today I am going to talk about animal kingdom. In the kingdom Animalia, there are major 35 phyla in which 10 are non-chordates and 1 is chordate. So the major phyla includes 10 plus 1. I am going to write about the non-chordates. First is Porifera, Coelenterata, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, Ascalminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, it is mollusca, ninth is Echinodermata, and 10th is Hemichordata. So 11th phylum, it is phylum Chordata. From 1 to 10 we can call it as non-chordates as they do not possess vertebral column, whereas the 11th phylum it is chordate because of the presence of vertebral column. So non-chordates do not possess vertebral column. Basis of classification. First is levels of organization. In that first level we can talk about cellular level of organization where cells are present but tissues are absent. So only cells perform all the functions. For example, in the phylum Porifera. Next is tissue level of organization. In this, cells which perform the similar functions are combined to form tissues. So we can see this in phylum Cnidaria, also known as phylum Coelenterata. And first time organs have been developed in Platyhelminthes. So we can consider that under organ level of organization. Cells combines to form tissues, tissues combines to form organs. Example for that, phylum Platyhelminthes. So we can say that for the first time organ level of organization have been seen in Platyhelminthes. Next, moving on to organ system level of organization. Organ system level of organization. It starts from phylum Ascalminthes till phylum Chordata. Body plan. One is blind sac, next is tube within tube. Body plan where blind sac is seen in Coelenterata, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes if a single opening is present for both ingestion and egestion. It is called incomplete digestive system. That is single opening for ingestion and egestion. It might be mouth. We can consider that as incomplete digestive system. Tube within tube seen from Annelida till Chordata. Tube-like alimentary canal is existing in the organism where one pore is mouth, the other pore is anus, mouth for ingestion, anus for egestion. So it is called complete digestive system. In protostomia, mouth develops first, later anus. In the blastospore, mouth is developed first, later anus. Protostomia. In the sense, proto first, stomia is mouth. It is seen in phylum Annelida, Arthropoda and mollusca. Deuterostomia where anus developed first, later mouth. The blastospore develop first mouth, anus, later mouth, seen in Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. Symmetry. Dividing the organism into two equal halves is known as symmetry. The axis is the central imaginary line, whereas the plane is the surface produced after cutting the organism. Symmetry is of three types: asymmetry, radial and bilateral. In asymmetry, symmetry is absent, which is seen in the organisms the adult gastropoda, and phylum Porifera. In the radial symmetry, the organism possesses circular body cylindrical it is. So in any plane, we can pass the line that is through central axis. So we can see that in the organism Hydra seen in phylum Coelenterata. The special one, pentamerous radial symmetry, which is seen in starfish, where 5 planes we can divide the organism, so it is called pentamerous radial symmetry. Example, Echinodermata. Next is bilateral symmetry. The organism can be divided into 2 equal halves only in one plane. So example, one insect I have drawn here, through one plane only. If it is passing through central axis, the organism can be divided into 2 equal halves. Example for that, it is from Platyhelminthes till Chordata.